Hello viewers, how are you all doing? In this video, we're going to do another fun project that is basically tracking an object with the help of Bell. So our Bell robot is going to track an object. So basically, whenever an object comes in front of it, it's going to follow it. And then whenever it comes too close, it's going to go back. So this is going to be a fun project. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial of Bell Robot by Adama Robotics. I am Mahdi Hassan. Today we're going to do another interesting project. So what is this project about? This project is known as tracking an object. So what is tracking? Normally we know if there's an object in front of us and if we follow it, if we go near it, then we call this tracking. We keep track of the object. So in our case here, Bell has an ultrasonic sensor. We will program the Bell in such a way that if the object is in a certain distance range, Bell will move towards it. That means follow it, which is known as tracking. And if the object is too close, Bell will go back. Otherwise, Bell will just keep stop. So here in the manual book, the program is given. As you can see, we will need the Adama script program block and then forever block and then show phase block. Here we want to see the distance of the ultrasonic sensor, how far an object is. And here we have the condition blocks, if else and if else. So as I have mentioned, if the ultrasonic sensor distance is less than 25 and greater than 10, we want to move towards the object with 30 speed. And here's a new block and because we are checking for two conditions. Otherwise, we want to go to the else block and here we want to check for ultrasonic sensor distance less than 10. That means if the object is too close, what do we want to do? We want to go back. Set motor 1 speed minus 30, set motor 2 speed minus 30 for 1 second. We want to go back. Else we want to be stopped. Okay, so without any further ado, let's go to the Adama script IDE and start with our program. As you know, first of all, we will have to start with Adama script program block, and then let's go to the control block and take the forever block because we want to keep on checking it, and then take the if else block and again if else block. Inside the if else block, before the if else, let us use the show phase block because we want to see how far an object is, the distance in our dot matrix or the screen of Bell. And in if else section, let us put a condition here and for the first condition, we want to check if it's, it came out. For the first condition, we want to check if the distance is less than 25, and the second condition we want to check the distance is more than 10. So let's copy this ultrasonic sensor distance block here and duplicate it again to the left one. Here we will write 25 and here we will write 10. So what do we want to do? We want to keep moving towards the object. So let's take set motor 1 speed 30. 30 is not here, so let's write it down. 30. So we want to go towards the object. All right. And then let us duplicate this block again. In the else section, we want to check if the object is too close. That means the distance is less than 10 centimeter. So we want to go back. Right, so let's choose negative 20, so motor will go back, and let's choose a wait block for how many seconds. Otherwise, we want our robot to just stop in a position. So this is our program. You can double check it. Here we have -30. I've given -20. and then you can save the project. As trackingobject.sp2. So Bell is already connected. Let us upload the program and see what happens. The upload is finished. Let's see.